So in this video, we are going to create a YouTube short. All right, and this short is going to help us to get more views, more subscribers. So I'm going to make use of ChatGPT and Canva to do that. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, let's go. So now I'm going to tell ChatGPT provide me a radius to solve. All right, just pay attention, follow my processes, and you get a very good result. Okay, I don't like this one, so I'm going to be more clear to ChatGPT to generate me. All right, so you can decide to copy my prompts and use them. One thing about ChatGPT, if you know how to ask a question very well, you get your result. So, all right, so to sign up, just go to chat.openai.com. All right, so let's proceed. Okay, so I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to give it a more clear explanation so he can give me a good result. Sit back and relax. You can decide to copy my, prompt. You can use it. If you want to be creating something like this, that's cool. Okay, answer. Please follow the table. Okay, from provide to present this. All right, so I'm going to give it a format like a table format. So title, hooks, body. All right, option one. So I'm going to have like option blah blah. Then answer. So I'm still going to give it example. All right, so you can click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you found this video very useful. All right. All right. So I'm giving it example so you can, generate me something like that. And I want all this in table format. All right. So after this one, we are going to make use of Google Form. All right. So we are going to make use of Google Form if this is your first time. So maybe you should do research about Google Form. Okay. We're good. Wallet. Answer. Keyboard. All right. So type enter. Let's go. So let's wait. So it won't be able to generate everything at once. So I will just click on regenerate. You understand? It will help you to, generate as many as you want. So let's see the table. All right. So you can see. Okay. This is beautiful. Awesome. So now I'm going to tell ChatGPT to generate 300 more. All right. So like create 300 more similar radius. This is beautiful. So you can see how easy it is. Instead of you cracking your head to create to write out all these things, the chat gpt will help you to do all that. All right. All right, so you can't generate everything at once. That's why I have to click continue so it will generate. So you can just sit back and wait, or you can open another tab, go to your Google Form to prepare it. So because I'm going to copy everything from here and paste it inside the Google Form table. All right, so let's just sit back and wait for it. Okay. Still generating. It's going to take a little while because 300 is not easy. So you just have to like relax. Like I said, you relax. All right, so almost done. So now let's go to the Google form. All right, so I've pasted this stuff here, table format. Just go to Google Chrome to search for Google form. Or if you have your Microsoft Excel, you can decide to paste it there, because or you can create a table on your Microsoft Words, remove exact long radius. All right, now to Canva. All right, so here we are going to start creating our test. I will show you how you can do that. So click on video, the mobile video. All right, so we are going to select background for our video here. All right, so we'll look for a sample for it. You can see that. Let's search for something related to it. Motions. All right, so let's do something like motions, because we want them to have their kind of slide or stuff like that, or maybe like some little effect on it. So you say, let's pick one. So let's pick this one. Fine. If you are not using Canva Pro, look for a free one there and use. So I will just drag and drop. That's what I'm doing now. Just drag and drop. You can use the free one if you don't have paid one. So if you play this now, this thing is animated. All right. So I'll copy one after the other, so you can see. So I'm going to copy from the title. So I'll go there. I'll click on the text. Good. All right, because I'm not going to add it as I'll add it as header. Let me add it as header. All right, so I'll paste. You can use your Control V. Okay, I'm just doing it so you can see everything. All right, so you see. So all this thing I'm doing here, the editing, I'm just doing drag and drop. So you can do that. It's very easy. All the templates you need is already there. So you can increase the size. You can see increase the size. You know, change it to anyhow you like. You can change the color. You can change the font size. All right, so let's change it to capital letter now. Okay, now let's change the font. So I'm changing the font now. Let's look for, okay, so let me just type this. I've been using this a lot, so I think I prefer using this. All right, so just pay attention, and because I'm all these things is from the head, so I can decide to like retouch something here. Okay, so let's look for something. Okay, let's pick this shape. We are going to use this shape to create something that will make this our text here to to be bold, so everyone can see it. All right, so we are going to place this under it, under the text. Then the text is going to sit on it. You can see just everything here is just for you to drag. You paste it under, it's going to go to under, then you drag. I'm going to drag from the right side to the end of the text. Okay, everything is just drag. So let's touch the color and see. All right, so let's look for some color that is cool. Okay, I think this one is fine. Let's use the gradient. I think this one is fine. The color is rhyming with the down one. So let's get something else. So I'm going to create something that will, you know, uh, brighten the background and change the a little bit of it. So let's do this and see. So I'm going to use it to cover the whole screen. All right. Yes. Okay. Let's cover it. Just pay attention. So I'm going to send it. But for now, let's change the color. Give it a black. Let's give it black. Okay, I'm going to put this color in transparent, but before that, let's give it transparent. So click this place, Click on it, reduce it a little bit. You can see transparent. I believe you're saying something there, because that color before was, too sharp. That is why I'm doing all this, so you can decide to do it or you leave it. Whichever one you care to do, you can do it or you leave it. So I'm going to send okay, send backward. Let me send backward, so the text will be on top. Good. So now you can see that the text is, it's up of the design, right? So let's go now and copy the other one. Let's copy the hook. Let's go back there, add text. Okay, let's make this one the body. So we make it like sub, paste. All right. So change the font size. You can, choose another one. If you have something, you can Google any kind of font you want. I think that would be easier for you if this is your first time, or you use all the process I use here. Change it to capital letter. All right, so let's use this. Think kind of big. So let's drag. Everything is just drag and drop, so it's very easy. So position it very well. Let's go back to elements, and let's check for, okay, let's check something like that, pointing up. Yeah, let's go here. Okay, let's pick this. All right, so this is it. Okay, so we have something like that. I think we should remove the background. All right, so I'm going to use background remover from here, but if you don't know how to remove the background, I will show you how you can remove background. Just go to BG remover. You can download the picture from here, then you go to BG remover and remove the picture, then you come here. BG remover is free. All right, it's free of charge. You can go there, remove background image of any kind of image, then you come back here. So let's animate something here. That is, I'm talking about the text, how they flash in, flash out, you understand, stuff like that. So let's proceed and just play around with it. All this thing is kind of, very simple. All you just have to do is play around. Being your first time, it's going to be a difficult thing, but tell yourself that you can do it. So it's very, very easy. You see, you can adjust it, then you play. So you see, all right, you play with it, play around with it. Okay, so we are done with two now. We're done with two. So let's show the timing so we can adjust. Let's show the timing, so let's adjust when to come in, because everything can be coming in at the same time. You understand? Everything can be coming in. So a little bit adjustment. That's what I'm doing. All right. So a little bit adjustment would be nice. Watch, play, ready. All right. So let's paste the body now. So I'm going to add text again. All this is something that you can do now. So paste it here. I'm going to bring it here. Paste. You can control V. Just trying to show you so it won't seem as if I'm doing any kind of magic here. All right. So okay. So I'm going to drop this thing here. Everything is not going to display at once. So let me add effect first. Okay, so let's have something like this. Just feel comfortable to play around with anything. Let's change the background. Let's change the text background. Let's change the text color black. So we make the background white, then we make the text black. So very nice, very nice. So let's go to show timing again so we can adjust that because everything can come. We can't be having everything up. You see, once one disappear, the other one should show up. But remember the title is still there. All right. So just pay attention to everything I'm doing here. This one is going to be the stressful one. All right, this one is going to be the stressful one. The rest is going to easy to generate because we are going to generate all that in bulk once we are done with this one. So you can see, watch. So awesome, awesome. You see how beautiful it is, right? So uh, all this is not magic. It's something you can do yourself. All this is not magic. It's something you can do yourself. So let's proceed. Let's proceed. All right, so do you understand what I did now? I copy, then I'm going to take off this and paste out the one I just copied down here. All right, I think the answer. All right, so increasing it, increasing it. There's no magic that I'm doing here that you can't do. Just believe yourself and follow the steps, and you can do it. So let's go to the effect again. Okay, let's choose something unique. Let's go on yellow. Good. I think this is not bad. This is not bad. So one thing about video editing, graphic design, you just have to be, you know, creative too. Let's copy again. Okay. All right. Do you understand what I did? I just copy a bit, a smile. So we are just going to be pasting all that. Copy again. Or I just copy. You duplicate them. You duplicate it. All right. So that's all I'm doing. There's no any other magic. I'm just duplicating, putting those stuff, the stuff here. All right. Typing. Okay. So we are just adding effect to it. All right. So let's go to the show timing, so we can adjust again because everything can be, you know, coming at the same time. See? Okay, let's do it like this. Okay, once it's done typing, you see that this is awesome. So you can use this on your TikTok too. Once people read, they can, be dropping comments on your social media too, and that comment will help you because there are people who wish to be playing something like this. You see? Can you see how beautiful it is? Can you see how beautiful it is? All right. So little bit adjustment here. Okay. Let's play again. Once you are playing around with it, be looking at it yourself. You will know something that you want in it. So you see how this thing is breathing. Is breathing. So let's look for something again. All right. So we are going to add this timer now. so that people can just, it will have time for them to comment stuff like that. So let's do that. Okay, so I'm going to add this, then adjust the timing. All right, so a little bit down. Okay, is it too big? Okay, let's just try. Okay, let's adjust it and see. Immediately it shows, then the timing is going to drag. I replace it because I think I don't really like that. Okay, so all I'm doing here is just adjustment, so you too can adjust it to anyhow you want it. So you can adjust it to your taste, right? Okay, I'm just doing drag and drop, so you can do that too. All right, so copy this one now. I just duplicate again. All right, with this tutorial you're watching now, you can use it to create any kind of YouTube, any kind of niche you want. You can use it to create like news, can create maybe quotes, anything at all you want. You can, start it from somewhere. All right. Okay, let's add effects. I'll change the color now. All right, so let's pick this and see. Good. Okay. White. Good. So I just like trying. So anything I picture that this particular stuff is awesome, then I use it. You see? See? Good. All right. So we are just, taking the timing. All right. Let's adjust a little bit. Okay. Good. So after the counting now, the answer is going to, show. Let's play. Good. All right. So I'm going to add music to it, and to do that, I'm going to YouTube library, audio library. So I'm just playing it for you to see. So I will go to YouTube audio library. I have it open. So let's go. All right. So you are going to play your music. All right. You are going to play your music. Look for the one that is cool. Go to your YouTube channel. Look for the one that is cool. All right. And download it. You see, download it. Then come to the timeline here. The timeline. Drag it down here and put it here. So music will be playing. All right. So music will be playing. Then, you know, your stuff, your video will be playing too. You know how to do something like that now. So it's a very easy process. It's a very easy process. If you follow all the steps I follow right now, trust me. Let's search for this. All right. So we are going to put something like, celebration, anyone that you understand. So let's get something and put it under, because it's like a game. All right. So it's a game. Good. Good. So we have. something now. So I've added the music and I've added the celebration. Anything you want, just put a search on Canva. Canva is going to like help you to fish it out. Then you can use it. You see now. So I think this is beautiful. So we are going to download this anyway. So let's play it again and let's see. Alright, so the next thing now is ball creation. So let's go and do something. Alright, so to do that, it's going to be easy. So let's search for something here. Bug creation. Alright, so search for it. The first one there, you see, click on it. Alright, so you see enter data manually, or you have uploaded CSV, you can do that. So you see, you can see how everything is listed here. Create a table. You see, if you want to create a table, you create. If you want to clear, you clear. So I'm going to copy this and paste them 30 ish. All right, like I said, creating the first one, will be of help. Make sure you create the first one. So if you can't see this one on Canva, the free version, either you get the pro or you just manage by creating one after the other. So I'm going to paste this here. You see the title, the hook, the body. You see how everything is. All right, so boom, let's go. All right, so just go through it. So I'm going to write all those stuff here. You understand? Like, I'm going to connect it. You understand? The first one is the title, so everything is just, you are doing connection here. So the title will be where I connect the title. So here now, the other one there should be the hook, right? So let's see. So connects the hook. So it's a very simple thing to do. All right, but you just have to create the first one. Create the first one to get your. So I'm going to do this one now. All right, connect. So body. Once you create a beautiful one at first, then you can decide to connect them to your taste, so you have everything you want. All right, so this, go to the option, connect option 1. Then you can do this for all, option 1, option 2, option 3. It's a very easy things to do, very easy. I've been doing this, I've been teaching people, and I have people that have been getting results, good results. Starting at first is not easy, all right, but trust me, if you can be getting a minimum of like 2 video shots every day with meaningful stuff, there are people, thousands or millions of people searching on YouTube every day to get something. All right, so you can decide to create minimum of 2 every day, or you can decide work on it a day, create like 10, then every day you'll be posting 2 on your channel. Before you know, you'll start getting view. So all I'm doing now is connecting. All right, so just pay attention to what I'm doing. Connect the answer, then we are almost done. All right, I think what are we? Let me check. Okay, let's continue and see. Okay, you see now, answer option, everything is set there. So generates 30 pages, and we generate them now. So if you play it, we have them generate. You see they are on this line. All right, so we are going to, the way we are going to import this stuff, we are not going to import everything to be in a single video. So we are going to import it to be on a separate pages, like individual videos. All right, so this is it. You can see how amazing it is. This is awesome. This is awesome. I have somebody who is using this Canva, this is the same process, and is making thousands of dollars monthly as we speak. Pay attention to the video, watch the video, not just one, rewatch it. The same process I use. If you use this, you can use it on your TikTok. All right, you can use it on your TikTok. Okay, so the next thing now is I'm just trying to change the background. All right, so we have about 30, so I'm just trying to change the background, then change the background of this one too, because we are going to paste another one. So I'm changing all these colors so they won't be the same, so they will be different from the first one we created. We created that 30 already, so and let's create something more. It's a very easy something, just pay attention, look at my mouse. Right, so let's change the color, the effects. Good. Let's have a color like, no, let's have something like, no, let's have this. Let's change this too. All right, so I think this is awesome. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is awesome. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to clear the table, then go back to my table, then start from where I stopped. Then I'm going to copy another 30 here. All right, so I'm going to copy it down to 30 again. So I will stop at, okay, yeah, good. So copy, go back to my Canva, click on it, paste. You can see the arrangement. This is beautiful. This is so beautiful. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do here now, okay, let me just go through it a little bit. Copy. All right, so I just copied the title at the top to replace it there because I've already connected them. So done. You see that? So the next thing here, I'm going to click on continue, then cross check them, generate, continue. It's still 30. You can see the number there, so give it a minute. It's going to generate them like the first one. All right, so we have something like this. You see, we have something sweet, something awesome. This is beautiful and perfect. So I don't need to teach you how to open a YouTube account. I believe you should be able to do that by now. So you are going to export them. So click on download. See, I want you to look at the pages here. Download page as separated file. You make sure you click that stuff. All right, make sure you click on it. If you really want to see it, separate, then you click on download and go to your YouTube, upload them. All right, so when uploading, we can still go back to our ChatGPT, to get us a title. We can get a title from ChatGPT. So I'm going to add like 3 titles to the description, okay, because I like doing that. Make sure you get a very good title because your title matters. Once you have a good title, trust me, you are going to, you can pick from these prompts I'm using. I have the prompts already, so you can decide to use the prompts and start creating something. So it's going to generate me 3 title. You see, title and tags. Okay, the title, the first one is title, the second is description, and the third one is tags. All this really matters if you want your stuff to rank. All right, from the ranking you get views, you get subscribers, you get likes. So I'm pasting the title here now. All right, so you see that the description too, make sure you paste it. Copy the description. So you can use this chat GPT to do whatever things you want to do. You don't have to crack your brain. Please, if you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So back to the title. All right, so let's go to the tags. If you are uploading, make sure you use your system to upload, so you can see all these options on it. Paste it here. You see. Then another thing is you use your Canva too to design a thumbnail for it. I can like you, that one is simple, you can do it yourself. Use it to design a thumbnail, upload the thumbnail, you know, that thumbnail now will help to attract people. All right, so click on publish, click on next. All right, so I'll click on next here. So let's go to public. We are going to post this stuff public for everyone to see. If you have a thumbnail, you can click on where the video icon is showing there to upload it.